Hi Dan, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to put together a little video tour of the Metris Getaway you inquired about. This is the 2020 beautiful blue exterior, and of course you may have noticed it's a pop-top camper. Built on the Metris Mercedes-Benz van. Peace Vans out in Seattle, Washington has designed this beautiful pop-top camper. A lot of great accessories, painted front and rear bumpers, nice big headlights, classic nice sleek styling from Mercedes-Benz. And when your pop top is actually lowered, you look at the van, you don't quite know what it is. It isn't scream camper van right out of the gate. Nice tinted windows, so nice privacy windows along the back. Automatic sliding doors, nice 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels. This is a very nice setup. I know you're in New York, we're in Maine. The idea of the video tour is to give you a more personal look at the vehicle, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna walk around the outside and the inside of the model. We've got nice rear visibility, big glass, Metris badging. We've got a backup camera. We've got that rear trailer hitch. So a lot of very nice features. But of course, the party piece to this vehicle is the interior. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the Metris Getaway, we can take a closer look at the interior. Now up front, we do have our driver and passenger seats. Some Mercedes-Benz dashboard and systems up front. Now moving back, this is where Peace Vans has really customized the van. We get this nice flooring here in the vehicle. Our rear bench seat, this actually turns into our first bed. So this folds out and folds flat, creates a nice first bed here. And we have our shades to go all the way across the windows. So we can black out the lights in the windows very, very easily. Now, the biggest component to this, of course, is the pop-top camper. So you can see we have our pop-top extended right now. You will notice your second bed is actually up here. This means you can lift it. If you're not using the second bed, you can stand in the vehicle. You have tons of headroom. But if you want to lower, all you have to do is pull this down like so. And there you are. Really, really easy to lift back up. That's all you have to do. Tons of light when your shades are down. Wanted to give you just a quick little video tour of the van. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching, Dan. Hope you enjoyed.